RumenX is a novel calf rearing system that gives calves the best opportunity for superior rumen papillae development.
RumenX is a calf meal that is specially formulated to allow the calf to have superior rumen development from day 4. Calves eat it early on because it's palatable, it's easily digestible, and it's designed specifically for superior rumen development. AgriFeeds brought the product in about 5 years ago, and we set up some field trials then to get a specific program designed for New Zealand conditions. Because in South America, this product is fed individually to calves, and here, as you see here, they're in groups of 10, small groups, so it needs to be suited for batch feeding. As you see here, it is formulated, extruded in a way that allows the calf to digest it so that you get superior rumen development, rumen papillae from an early age. Because the calf has only got 8 weeks to get the number of papillae developed, and we need to maximise that opportunity, hence why this product is made in a way that is highly digestible, has very high protein levels, and all the other minerals and vitamins so necessary for early rumen development. But it is specifically attractive to the animals. It's got a lovely coating on it that wants these animals to eat it from an early age, so that it will do the job that it is designed to do, and that is improve rumen papillae development.
RumenX is highly digestible, provides high quality protein. The extrusion process presents the nutrients in a form that a 4-day-old calf can easily digest.
The program itself is specifically designed so that you reduce the amount of milk that the calves are fed in the first 4 weeks of their life. So you offer 2 litres of milk twice a day for the first 2 weeks, and then that is split down to 1 feed, 2 litres once a day, and the calf is completely weaned off milk at day 32 of age, 28 days into the program. And during that same period, the calves are offered only RumenX. They must only have RumenX. No other sources of feed must be available, because that is the product that is designed to give the animal the best start it's possible. And about 4 weeks, when the calf is weaned off milk, we introduce a proprietary meal, 20% protein meal. So you mix them together and slowly reduce the amount of RumenX in the diet, so that at week 6, those calves are ready, prepared, and adapted to going on to pasture and so on. There is no weaning check when they're on this program. Benefits are that if you get that rumen development right in the first few weeks of the life, what you'll see in later life is that the calf is better prepared to eat the pastures that you offer it, the silages that you offer it, and anything else that is offered. The animal, because of the superior and volume of rumen papillae development, what you see is an increased surface area in the rumen that will better absorb all the nutrients that the animal needs later in life. Those are lifetime benefits that will last the animal when it gets into the cow shed and repay the farmer with increased milk production. And no other products are available at the moment that, one, allows the 4-day-old calf to be able to digest this meal. Because what it does is we want to develop a bacteria population in the rumen, so that that bacteria can break down the starch that is made available to it, so that we increase the number of volatile fatty acids, particularly the propionate and the butyrate. And that's what we're looking for, because they're the components that will develop rumen papillae.
Yeah, I'm Justin Edgecumbe from Waratah Farms in Taronga here. The RumenX has been, for our system here, it's been great. It's certainly worked for us. We've had better calves because of it, I firmly believe. We've got our first group of heifers that were reared on RumenX in the herd now, and at 40 days in milk they are producing a bit over 2 kgs of solids a day, which is 0.1 up on previous ones we've done. So that benefit is showing out now, and we've achieved better growth rates and healthier, happier calves. So they love the stuff, they get straight into it, and so we're only feeding calves for sort of 10 weeks, whereas traditional system you're feeding calves milk for up to 15, 16 weeks. And so there's certainly a reduced time and labour cost there. So we've about 2% better conception rate in the heifers, and traditionally this farm had a problem of scows and calves, and they'd had quite high mortality rates previous to using it, and we've certainly seen our mortality drop back to almost zero, and they're little benefits that come from they weren't the main reason for changing the RumenX, but they're certainly benefits that we've seen coming through. Absolutely, it's definitely benefited our bottom line because all the reasons, better calf health. So we've, instead of having calves dying from problems, we're keeping them all alive, and we've been able to sell milk, and then when they come into the herd they're going to produce more, and so it's all things that affect what you put in the bank at the end of the day. So.
For more information, call AgriFeeds 0800 424743 or visit agrifeeds.co.nz.